Think grocery hauls are just about food? Think again. Welcome to the world of creative grocery use, where your everyday items become the stars of your home. First, grab a bunch of bananas. Forget breakfast. Use them as a natural stress reliever. Just squeeze them. They're not just for smoothies anymore. Next, let's talk about potatoes. Yes, they can be a great beauty tool. Slice one and dab it on those pesky blemishes. Move over expensive skincare. Now look at your cereal boxes. They make fantastic wall art. Cut them up and create a colorful collage. It's recycling that's actually cool. Don't overlook your avocados. They can double as a trendy hair mask. Mash them up, apply, and let those locks shine. Ever bought too many lemons? Use them to create a zesty air freshener. Just simmer them in water for a fresh scent. Finally, remember your frozen veggies? They make perfect ice packs. Next time you have a boo-boo, just grab a bag from the freezer. Who knew your groceries could bring so much joy and utility? Get out there and start experimenting. Your kitchen staples might just surprise you with their versatility.